Hi guys, today I'll be attempting to solve LeetCode 21, which is merging two sorted lists. It's an easy problem. You are given the heads of two sorted linked lists, linked list 1 and list 2, and we have to make them or convert them into one big sorted list. So example is quite simple. If we have 1, 2, 4 as a first linked list and 1, 3, 4 as a second linked list, the combination of those linked lists in a sorted form is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. And if we have a second example where we have two null or empty lists, we output the empty list. And obviously, if one list is non-empty and list is empty, we return whatever the sorted list, in our case, in this case, list 2, is as our output. So we do that. Seems quite simple. We can do this by using a dummy variable and some pointers. So I start off with declaring a dummy variable. In this case, just to ensure that we're not storing our node into an empty list in the first place. So we have list node, that, yeah, and we set our tail, and now we check while list 1, yeah, and list 2, well, both are not empty. We have that list 1 dot val is less than list 2 dot val. We take our next element in the tail, so we have tail dot next will be equal to list 1, and we update our pointer in this case, so list 1 is equal to list 1 dot next, if else, when this condition is not true, when list 2 val is, let's say, less than list 1 val, we update our tail dot next to list 2, list 2 update pointer to list 2, this is list 2 dot next. Now if we have a condition where one list is not empty, so let's say list 1, when that is true, we take our next pointer and point it to list 1. That's not the case. We have list 2 as a non-empty list. In this case, we next to return dummy.next at the end, because a dummy was the original node which we made. So when we run this and check if it works, oh, okay, I think I kind of gave the wrong result. Expected. There might be a wrong condition somewhere which I might have missed. Just to make sure I do this outside the while loop. Yeah, and now I'll try and run this. Still not happening. It's outputting the last element, which is strange. Let me try. Okay, I think this is just pointing to the last element in the given list. So, oops, I think we didn't update our tail pointer here. So tail will be tail.next to incorporate for that last element. Yeah, that should be fine, I guess. I'll try and run this now. And yep, all our cases are accepted. If we submit this, we get the eventual condition that our test pass. It works in 34 milliseconds and memory is on 14 MB. So yeah, that was my implementation. Thank you for watching.